What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to really try and get through this video for you. Woke up with a really bad sore throat, but I'm going to be doing a photo shoot with a really sweet Audi RS3, and we've been trying to do this photo shoot for so long. We've rescheduled it probably 8 times because it just keeps snowing and snowing, but luckily, as you can see, we got clear roads, we got cloudy skies, but it works and his car can actually make it to the photo shoot spot. So let's roll that intro and let's talk about it. So yeah, today we are shooting with my buddy Aaron and his Audi RS3. This thing is all tuned and has like mods put on the body, and just had a couple like different pieces put on, and I think it has a roof rack too with a ski box, which I have a soft spot for. Love those. But yeah, we're finally getting to shoot with that. Aaron used to have a BMW M3 that we did a shoot with. I'll throw up some pictures right here of that shoot. And it was so cool, but he sold it right before the winter started and picked up this RS3. From the videos I've seen of it, it's super fast and it just looks so cool. I have such a soft spot for Audis, even though, yes, I drive a BMW, but love Audis. And yeah, this is gonna be such a cool photo shoot. So the plan is setting up the car somewhere along the road here, getting these trees in the background. Probably do my best to edit out the house right there, but if we put it far enough, we should get a pretty sick view down the road. And then even farther up the road, we're gonna do a second spot of the photo shoot that's just all completely white. Like the road has snow on it and there's snow everywhere, but it just looks like a blank, just a blank canvas. And I can actually hear the RS3 pulling up right now, so let's catch this thing rolling in. That thing sounds insane. Guys, just look at this thing. We just wrapped up taking photos in this first spot. This thing looks so cool. Just look at that. This thing sounds insane too, but we're actually about to go hop in and go for a ride in it. This thing is a stage 2 tune and has downpipes and all that stuff, so this is gonna be insane. So let's hop in and go for a ride. That wasn't even full send.
No, that was nice. I'm trying to hopefully just dry these tires off a little bit.
This thing sounds like an R8.
Yeah, no, that's what
sounds good.
That's what's so cool about them is they sound like a little V10. Like it's just crazy.
Oh, that was great.
Once it gets over like 5,000 RPMs, it's like it just sounds so good.
All right, we're gonna launch this thing. Thing sounds like a freaking Audi R8, and it's a 5-cylinder. That thing's insane. But yeah, so we're gonna actually be hopping to like a snowy road right here, and then taking some pictures, because just look how cool the sky looks right now with like how dramatic it is. So that spot's gonna be like pure white, but then with the sky backdrop, it's gonna look really cool. So let's hop back into the RS3 and get going up there. Let's go hop in this thing. Alright guys, just wrapped up the RS3 shoot, just taking this view again. Just look at that sun, insane. Yeah, so happy we were able to make this actually happen. Like I said, we rescheduled this thing like 8 times, and so we finally got it to happen. We're both freezing. Our hands are just they're frozen, you know, that's the best way to put it. But let's take one more last look at this. Just look at that view. So thank you guys so much again for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm happy I could make it through this video even with a sore throat, but just look at that view one more time, and I really appreciate all your support. We're actually about to hit 900 subscribers and are on our way to 1,000. So again, thank you so much for your love and support, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.